everyone, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you all how to get this beautiful bronzy eye look along with this glowy, flawless looking skin. So if you guys are interested, you should definitely keep on watching. But before that, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay you guys, before I start doing my makeup, I want to try out something different today. I want to wear colored contact lenses and I truly believe that colored contact lenses can make a huge difference. I will be very honest here. I have tried colored contact lenses in the past from different companies, but I was never very impressed. But this time I got these colored lenses from the company Aqualens. I got the shade Mystery Hazel and Spicy Grey. And when I was scrolling through their website, I noticed that they have a huge variety of contact lenses. They have daily disposables, they have monthlies, they have lens cases, they have accessories, they have colored lenses. And the part where I was most impressed was they have a huge color range for people with power. I am minus 4.5. I know I'm legally blind and I was very impressed that I got my number. So I'm not very sure which one I will be wearing today. I might try out both and see which one I would like to wear throughout the video. So let's try this on. So on my right eye, I will try the shade Mystery Hazel. This is how Mystery Hazel looks like. And on the other eye, I'll try the shade Spicy Grey. These lenses are so easy to use, my eyes do not even water. This is the shade Mystery Hazel and this is Spicy Grey. And today I think I will go with the shade Mystery Hazel because I'm planning on doing bronzy eyes and this color will complement the whole look. I always like to apply my lenses before I apply my makeup because if in case my eyes decide to water, my makeup is not ruined. And this is a great tip for you all, that always wear your lenses first and you can do your makeup later. Now that my lenses are on, let's start with the makeup. So I have already moisturized my face. My under eye area was feeling very dry. So I'm going to use the Face Shop Calendula Eye Cream and massage it really well. This will help my concealer and foundation blend seamlessly and it will not emphasize any dry patches. To add an extra layer of hydration, I used this Sukin facial mist. This is chamomile and rose and it is very soothing on the skin and I'm just gonna let it dry. Next for the primer, I will be using the Sugar Cosmetics Pore Filling Primer and I'll take a pea-size amount and apply it on the areas where I have pores, that is around my nose, a little bit on my chin and on my forehead. For the foundation today, I wanted to go for a foundation that has a very beautiful glowy like finish. So here I'm going to use my favorite Loreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation and I'm going to use a very little amount on my face because I wanted my skin to look like skin, and I'm going to blend it out using a damp beauty sponge, and also make sure to apply it on your neck as well. Next for concealer, I'll be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and apply this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead and also on my chin. This concealer will highlight my face, and to blend this out, I'm going to use the same damp beauty sponge. To set the concealed areas, I will be using my current favorite, the Sugar Cosmetics Banana Powder. This compact powder is so good, you guys. It just literally blurs out everything and gives a beautiful brightening effect under the eyes. And taking the leftover product, I'm going to dab it on my smile lines and a little bit on my forehead. While my under eyes are baking, I'm just going to fill in my brows really quickly using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 05. After that is done, I'm going to quickly set my face using the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer so that my face does not look powdery. I'm going to jump straight onto the eyes and taking this beautiful camel shade from the Jaclyn Morphe palette. On this tapered brush, I'm going to apply this above my crease as you can see here, and I'm going to slowly build up the color. To deepen up my crease area, I'm going to take this brown shade, and as you can see here, I'm just concentrating this shade on my crease just to add some depth and dimension. Going back with the same camel shade, make sure that there are no harsh lines. After that is done, I'm going to take this beautiful metallic copper shade on a flat shader brush and apply this all over my eyelids. Once that is done, I'm going to create a smoky blended eyeliner using a black eyeshadow. After that's done, I'm going to quickly curl my lashes, apply my favorite Lash Paradise mascara from Loreal. This mascara should definitely be one of my favorites. After my eyes are almost done, I'm going to quickly dust off the bake and use the same camel shade. I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line, and to deepen up that intensity, I will take that same dark brown shade and apply it very close to my lower lash line. To highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use this beautiful MAC highlighter in the shade Whisper of Guilt, and using a very small precise brush, I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and on the inner corners of my eyes as mentioned before. To bronze up my face, I'll be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer and apply this under my cheekbone, on my jawline and also on my forehead. For the blush today, I'll be using this Colourpop cream blush in the shade Between the Sheets and apply this on the apples of my cheeks. Taking the same MAC highlighter, I'll apply this on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow as well. And I also took the same highlighter and applied it on my collarbone because you need that collarbone pop in, everybody. Went ahead and applied my false lashes. These are the Winsome Story lashes in the style Oomph, and you can see yourself what a difference it makes. For my lips today, I'm going to outline my lips using the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice. And for the actual lipstick, I'll be using the Loreal Rouge Signature Lipstick in the shade I Explore. It is a beautiful nude color, and trust me you all, it's going to look amazing on Indian skin. So that's the finished look, you guys. I love this makeup and I totally believe that this colored lens made a huge difference. Also, these colored lenses have increased the size of my eye and it looks more prominent, which I love. This particular lens color I would wear on daily basis because it looks so natural, and the spicy gray ones I would wear those if I'm going out for a party and I want my eyes to look very prominent. I would wear those. I would be very honest, I was someone who always thought that colored lenses are not made for Indian skin and colored lenses won't suit my skin tone, but that is not the case. It is all about how you pair them with the correct makeup. I took the right decision of wearing Mystery Hazel with this eye makeup because I think it complements the whole look so well, and I believe that a little color is definitely good. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.